Welcome to my show. It's me, Tritiyatri, bringing you the top news from all around the globe that is worth making the headlines. Middle East skies witness massive US military buildup. American fighter jets, drones, and strike aircraft are rapidly entering the Middle Eastern airspace. Well, the deployment is being seen as a show of strength ahead of the sensitive diplomatic talks. Experts believe that it signals Washington's dual approach of diplomacy backed by the deterrence. F-15 jets deployed to establish air dominance. That's right, the US has positioned F-15 fighter jets capable of controlling the aerial battle zones. Well, these jets are designed to neutralize enemy aircraft and conduct precision ground strikes. Their presence signals preparation for rapid combat responses if the tensions escalate. MQ-9 Reaper drones intensify the surveillance operation here. Advanced MQ-9 Reaper drones, they are monitoring the regional movements, and that too along with long endurance capability. These drones can track targets for hours before launching precision strike. Military analysts call them among the most feared remote warfare tools. A-10 Warthog aircraft strengthens the ground attack capability. Well, the A-10 Thunderbolt II, famous for destroying armored targets, has also entered deployment zones. Well, the aircraft specializes in close air support and heavy battlefield firepower. Its inclusion indicates readiness for ground conflict scenarios. United States Carrier Strike Group moves into strategic position here. American naval forces, including destroyers and submarines, they have entered key maritime zones. Carrier strike groups act as floating military headquarters capable of launching rapid air and missile operation. Well, their movement significantly raises regional alarm threats. Oman emerges as crucial venue for US-Iran nuclear talks. Diplomats from Washington and Tehran, they are preparing to hold high-stakes nuclear negotiations in Oman. Well, the talks aim to address uranium enrichment limits and sanction relief. Well, the global powers, they are closely monitoring these discussions for conflict prevention. Military buildup seen as negotiation pressure tactic. Some analysts believe that Washington's deployments, they are meant to strengthen diplomatic bargaining power. Now, demonstrating the military readiness can actually influence negotiation outcomes. Well, the strategy has historically been used to push the rivals towards compromise. Iran warns against growing US military presence. Tehran has labeled increasing American deployments as direct security threat. Iranian officials believe that regional military expansion could really trigger retaliation here. The warning reflects growing mistrust before diplomatic discussions begin. Iranian missile and drone network raises global concern here. Iran has deployed advanced missiles and drone systems capable of targeting regional bases here. These weapons, they form a core part of Tehran's asymmetric warfare strategy. Military experts believe that they provide Iran strong deterrence capability. Diego Garcia Base becomes new geopolitical flashpoint. The US-UK military base on Diego Garcia has re-entered global strategic debate here. The island plays a vital role in Indo-Pacific and Middle East military operations. Well, any sovereignty shift, it could affect American operational flexibility. Chagos Island's sovereignty dispute gains global attention now. Britain has considered transferring Chagos Island control to Mauritius. The move is seen as correcting colonial history but raises security concerns as well. Washington fears political change could affect military base access. Trump signals military protection for Diego Garcia. Donald Trump, US President, warned that America could use force to protect operations at Diego Garcia. His remark highlights the island's importance in global defense strategy. Well, the statement reflects strong US commitment to maintaining military influence. Trump suggests ending advance warning to allies before strike. Trump indicated that future US military operations may prioritize secrecy over coordination. He argued advance warnings previously allowed targets to escape. Well, critics warn that this particular approach could weaken alliance trust and coordination. Portable airports concept sparks global military debate here. Trump introduced the idea of temporary hidden air bases for surprise mission. These mobile airstrips they can allow stealth operations from remote regions. Here defense experts say that such system they could really change modern warfare tactics. Iran seizes oil tanker near strategic Farsi Island. Iranian Revolutionary Guard captured two vessels accused of diesel smuggling. 15 foreign crew members they were detained during the operation. This whole incident has kind of triggered global concern over maritime security in the Gulf. Strait of Hormuz remains world's most sensitive energy choke point. Nearly 20% of global oil passes through the narrow Strait of Hormuz. Here, any disruption it can affect international fuel prices instantly. Maritime confrontations in this particular zone carry major economic consequences. Tanker seizure raises shipping and insurance concerns. Global shipping companies fear rising security threats in Gulf water. Well, insurance premiums for oil transport they may increase significantly. Energy markets closely monitor such incidents for supply chain disruption. US naval presence expands to protect shipping routes here. Washington has increased surveillance and patrol mission across the Gulf water. The US claims the deployment ensures international maritime security. Well, Tehran views these operations as pressure tactics before negotiations. Rare earth mineral rivalry intensifies the US-China competition. That's right, rare earth elements vital for technology and defense. They are becoming a major global battleground. China dominates production and processing supply chain. The US, on the other hand, is building alternative trade alliances to reduce the dependency. Rare earths power modern technology and military system. Well, these minerals they are very important for electric vehicle, missiles, electronics, and renewable energy. Control over supply determines technological and military leadership. Experts call them the oil of the future. Iran declares the US regional bases within missile reach. Iran's Revolutionary Guard claims that American bases across the Middle East they are targetable. The statement is seen as a direct deterrence warning, while such declarations significantly increase the geopolitical tension. Nuclear domino effect warning raises the global alarm. US Vice President Mr. J.D. Vance he warned that Saudi Arabia may pursue nuclear weapons if Iran does. Analysts fear that this could trigger the regional nuclear competition and such proliferation it could dramatically reshape global security dynamics. Saudi Arabia signals nuclear response if Iran deploys the bomb. Saudi leadership has previously indicated willingness to match Iran's nuclear capability. Well, the rivalry between Tehran and Riyadh it could escalate into arms competition. Global power view this as a major strategic risk. US issues emergency exit warning to citizens in Iran. While Washington urges Americans to leave Iran immediately due to rising tensions, officials warned rescue operation may not be possible during conflict. Now, such advisories often indicate serious security concern. Tabas flight route sparks the historic symbolism debate. Iran's Foreign Minister Abbas Araghchi reportedly departed for talks from Tabas, linking to a failed US rescue mission in 1980s. Well, the location carries strong historical symbolism. Now, analysts view it as a possible psychological messaging here. Turkey, Qatar, Egypt, they all offer temporary peace proposal. Three regional powers, they have proposed a conflict prevention framework between Iran and the US. The plan indicates nuclear freeze, missile limits, and non-aggressive pledges. It aims to pause escalation rather than creating a permanent peace. Israel maintains hardline position against Iran's military program. Israeli leadership continues demanding stronger restrictions on Iran. Well, some policymakers argue limited arguments may not ensure long-term security here. Israel's stance complicates diplomatic consensus. Global energy markets closely monitoring the Middle East stability here. Oil price volatility increases whenever the regional tensions rise. Investors and governments track development around nuclear talks and tanker incident. Stability in the Gulf directly affects the global economic confidence. India rejects external pressure on energy policy decision. That's right. New Delhi has clarified that national interest drives its oil purchasing strategy. India continues balancing imports from Russia, the US, and other suppliers. Well, the approach reflects India's multi-alignment diplomatic model. Middle East stands at crossroad between diplomacy and the conflict. Military deployments and peace negotiations are unfolding simultaneously. Experts warn that one miscalculation could really trigger the confrontation. The success of diplomatic talks may decide the nation's immediate future. And with that, that's a wrap up of our 30 news bulletins from around the globe. From the United States to Iran, from Qatar to Israel, the world is changing, and so is geopolitics. And me, Dhritya 3 on Times XP is here to keep you updated. See you next time.